everyone, I'm Cara. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tour of our front entryway and also our living room. So if you like this video, please subscribe below and also press the like button. Thank you for watching. So this is our front entryway. To the right of the front door is this built-in bench. On it I have some pillows from Cb2. The fluffy one is from Target. We also have this enlarged circular mirror on the wall. This is from Cb2. I also have this coat hanging rack that I picked up from West Elm. I love the gold brassy finish on it along with the marble pegs. I don't have a lot of gold or brass in the house anymore, so I just thought this added a nice pop. On the floor is this rug runner from World Market. And to the left of the front door is this amazing, gorgeous console from Cb2. Right now, I just have a rock from Homegoods on it, along with a vessel that's a couple years old from Cb2. The stem in it is from Cb2 and also the artwork behind it. So as you make your way in through our front entry, you will see our main living room space. These two accent chairs are from Cb2. They're such high quality. I love the wood finish on the legs, on the frame. I've put these gray, pretty neutral pillows on them. I didn't want to add anything that stood out too much, so these work well. In between the chairs, I have this teak side table from Cb2, and on the side table, I have added this pedestal bowl from Target, and in it right now, I have decorated it with some wooden and woven decor balls that I picked up at a local store near us. In front of the accent chairs, I have this footstool with the legs that are made out of wood. I think it adds a lot of nice texture to the room. This is our coffee table. It has clean lines and I love the look of it. It is from Room and Board. And on the coffee table, I have finished it off with this marble tic-tac-toe from Cb2. The horse book is from Homegoods, and then this vessel is from an antique store near us. One of my favorite additions to the living room is this sofa bench. I will move over here so you can see the entire bench. This is an antique vintage Chinese jug. I love the way it looks, and when I saw it, I had to get it. If you can tell, it's somewhat green with some tan in it, and it's pretty neutral. It's matte. I think it looks great in the house. This bench I found, it's a reclaimed wood bench. I found it at a local store near us. I think it's 68 inches. The bowl behind it is a paper mache bowl that I also found at the same local store. This vessel is from Pottery Barn. The Alexander McQueen book beneath it is from Homegoods. The stem is from Cb2. This bowl is vintage and I picked this up at a local antique store. Both of these coffee table books are from Homegoods, along with the rock on top of it. And this mango pedestal is from a local store near us. The last piece in our living room, and there's tape on the top because we have a new puppy that likes to eat this fake moss, is this faux plant that I found at Homegoods. So I like to add a lot of greenery to our house. I think it looks really nice to mix natural tones with greenery and also various shades of wood. Next to the coffee table, we have this Roaring Rabbit chair from West Elm. It swivels, which is, the kids have fun on it. And I also have this agate side table that is from Homegoods, and it is currently just topped off with a candle from West Elm. This LED light is from Target, and I love that the frame moves around and the simplicity of it. So this is the primary focal point of our living room. We have the fireplace with the shiplap behind it, and then the built-in bookshelves. On one of the shelves, I have finished it off with this vessel from Homegoods. The middle small rounded object is from Target. There's an acrylic stand beneath it. And then I have added 2 coffee table books, a Dream House book and a Tom Ford book. This driftwood is from Homegoods. I think I paid $40 or $50 for it. There's a little stool that adds some height to the vessel that's on top of it. The stool is from Amazon and the vessel is an antique. And I just topped it off with this olive branch from Amazon. On another one of the shelves, I have this mountain coral, and there's these stone objects with some metal rings, and also this enlarged bowl. And all 3 of these objects are from, or 4 of them are from Cb2. On top of the mantle is this rock decor piece from Homegoods. It was $14.99, and this little decor bowl next to it, I paid $5.99 for it, and it was either from Goodwill or an antique store. This large mirror above our fireplace is from Cb2. I love the different tones in the wood. I just think it looks amazing. And then we have our TV on one of the shelves. And then above the last shelf is this large vessel from Cb2. The bust is from Homegoods along with the book beneath it. And the 2 black rings are also from Cb2. So this rug is a 9x12, and I picked this up from Homegoods. I just think it pulls the space together, and I am not against putting rugs on carpet. I just think it looks so nice, and I love that it's neutral, and pretty much any decor can go with it. So this is our couch. It is from Room and Board, and it's a Portofino cognac finish. On it are these 2 pillows I picked up from a local store in our area. They are gorgeous. They're made of wool, and if you can see, the pattern is quite neutral. They're hand woven, and I just love them. They're not the comfiest, but they look great. Next to our couch is this side table from Target. It has the metal legs on it. I have this blanket from Homegoods hanging on the couch to add some texture. And then these are from Homegoods. That one's a little dirty, as you can see. So like I said, this is our main living room area. We love it, it's cozy. That clock on the wall is from Target. So that is it for our living room and front entryway tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do like this video and also subscribe. I plan on doing more hauls in the future along with other room tours in our house. I've had the best time decorating, and thank you for watching.